Hello, I'm Gino. Immigrated from Sicily as a child. As an adult, started a business from $0 and grew it to over 700 employees. Most construction companies in America stop growing at exactly the same place, right at the estimator's desk. And the estimator is the owner. That's not a coincidence. That's the bottleneck. And until you fix it, the company can't get any bigger than the hours you've got in a week. Maine, I want you to picture your own week. How many hours do you spend in the field? How many hours on the phone with subs and customers? How many hours bidding? Now add it up. There's only so much one human being can do. Most owners I know hit that ceiling around 2.5 million in revenue, plus or minus. Some sooner, a few hold on a little longer, but they all hit it. They keep working harder. They keep skipping vacations. They keep wondering why every year feels like the last one, even though they're killing themselves. The bottleneck is bidding, because bidding is the choke point that controls every other part of the business. You can hire more crews, you can buy more trucks, you can put up a bigger sign, but if the bidding still has to go through one human being, you can't grow past that human being's capacity. The only way out is to take bidding off the owner's plate. And you can't do that if the bidding lives in spreadsheets only the owner can read. You have to put it in a system, a real system, a database where the rules and the data are written down, where anyone you trust can do the work, and where you can spot check everything from your phone. That's exactly what Easy Construction Estimating was built to do. It moves the bidding from inside the owner's head into a system the company owns. Now you can bring on an estimator. You can have your foreman handle the smaller jobs. You can have your son ramp up. The software enforces the standards. The database holds the history. The company grows past you instead of being capped by you. That's the difference between a contractor making a living and a contractor building a real company. If you've been stuck at the same revenue ceiling for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, the bottleneck is bidding. Go to easyconstructionestimating.com and break it. Your company can't grow until the bidding stops depending on you,